Hi, my people. Natalia Priscilla Teller. I'm back. And this time around, guess what? We are going to be getting through Microsoft Excel. I hear people say Microsoft Excel is hard. It's hard. It is the hardest. No way. Just sit down, tap the link, join in, feel comfortable with us, and I got you. So, Microsoft Excel, we are going to get to know how to open it and what is it. What is Microsoft Excel? What is Microsoft Excel? We've been studying about Microsoft Word, getting to know what could be done in Microsoft Word. So get relaxed and feel comfortable because I have everything that you need. So first of all, same goes to Microsoft Excel. You go to the power button and exactly this one is even wrote it. You write your Microsoft MS Excel and they'll bring it for you. So of course you double click in it. We are waiting for the opening. We get a blank document and here we are. This is Microsoft Excel. Someone is going to ask me, why is Microsoft Excel looking so different and totally different from Microsoft Word? Some of you are waiting for pages. Oh yeah, we have pages in Microsoft Excel, but the pages in Microsoft Excel are different from Microsoft Word in a way that Microsoft Excel has a various things in it. It has sheets, as in Microsoft Word you call them pages. In Microsoft Excel they are called sheets. And to get another sheet, you click somewhere here and you get a sheet. I don't know why mine is just we are waiting. New sheet. It is here. So in Microsoft Word we have pages. Yes, in Microsoft Excel we have sheets in preferably a known manner. They're similar to pages, just that here a few things change and we have some few things that are not like in Microsoft Word. So in Microsoft Excel we have the function bar, the formula bar, some of the PCs call it the computers. This is the formula bar, or the formula bar, actually not the fun. So we have it here, and in Microsoft Excel we also have what we call rows, which are these ones where it is 1, 2, 3. They are numerically numbered, and in Microsoft Excel we also have columns which are alphabetically numbered. Yeah, these ones that have A, B, C, D. So where a cell and a column merge together like meat is called is called a cell. Yeah, where a column and a row meet is called a cell. So this where row 2 and column D are meeting. This is called a cell here, right here. This is cell D2. Begin with the column, then the row. Exactly. So to continue, as we continue here, the collection of sheets in Microsoft Excel is called a worksheet. So sheet 1, sheet 2, add-on sheet 3, sheet 4, name it all, is called a worksheet. A collection of sheets is called a worksheet. We also have bold lines. Yeah, bold lines, an active cell is having bolded lines. So this one is an active cell where I placed my cursor. The rest are also cells like H1, H2. They are all cells. E1, E2, E3, E4. They are all cells. But particularly D2 is the active cell, is where I'm concentrating my efforts at. So that is called an active cell. And also we have formulas. The formulas used in Microsoft Excel, they are user defined, whereby I'll write, let's say we have 8 here and 6 here. So I'll be like equals this one plus this one, add on B2. This is user defined, and here it tells you we have a formula bar. So anything you input here in a formula manner or a function manner will be uploaded there. And then another thing, the functions. Functions are system built whereby you could say equals sum this plus this. So we are going to look at all the things whereby Excel tells you what you've done is not what is needed. So sit down and settle. I got you. With everything we are going to be doing in Microsoft Excel, we are going to be getting the best. So please, as I've introduced my um, Microsoft Excel to you guys, I hope and urge you that you could work together with me. Let's make the best out of this. Let's progress. Let's get to know what Microsoft Excel has that the rest of the applications don't have, and what could it be that it could help us with. Thank you so much. I urge you to like, subscribe, comment, invite. Let's grow together. Thank you.